Hello and welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Before we get into the build, just going to mention a couple of builds that are going to be released on the 1st of January 2024. One is a Spider-Man mask, 76285. It's 487 pieces and it's going to be $59.99 in UK money, by the way. And then also there's going to be a Polaroid camera 21345. That's going to be 516 pieces for $69.99. So that's just two builds that are going to be out in January. And today's build, we are actually doing a larger version of a rescue helicopter, 42145. It's a bigger version of what we've done and a few videos ago. This is actually 2001 pieces, so piece count wise this is actually going to be our biggest build we've done so far. It's actually $179.99 on the Lego website, so a bit costly. Be interesting to get into the build and see how good it's going to be for 2000 pieces. So let's get cracking. Now, finished product, people. This build was absolutely amazing. This is probably one of the best builds I've actually done. It's the first one I've done with the motors, and I'm mega impressed with how it's all come together. I don't know who actually designs these things, but this one is absolutely great. Like the working mechanisms, the gears on it, it's absolutely insane. The amount of gears that go inside that to get everything functional. Just give you a preview of some of the propellers working. I'm actually surprised it doesn't take off. It just sets it off with the propellers working. If it wasn't motorised, I don't think it would be as great. But this is definitely probably one of the best builds I've done. If you enjoyed the video, leave us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Thanks very much.